Hello, good morning students. In last lecture we discussed about the chemistry of alkanes, in which we cover nomenclature of alkane, physical properties of alkanes and chemical properties of alkane. Now today we are going to discuss the next part of this organic chemistry, and that is chemistry of alkenes. So what is by alkenes? The alkenes are the olefins, or alkenes are also known as olefins. They are unsaturated hydrocarbons. They are unsaturated hydrocarbons containing carbon-carbon double bond. This is a special feature of alkene molecules in which one carbon-carbon double bond is present, and these compounds are known as alkene compounds. And these alkenes are represented by a general formula CnH2n, whereas the alkanes are represented by general formula CnH2n plus 2. Now alkene having a one carbon-carbon double bond, there is a unsaturation or unsaturated site, and due to this unsaturation these two hydrogens from two carbons are lost, and this general formula is CnH2n only. They contains a less number of hydrogen as compared to corresponding alkanes, that is 2 hydrogens are less as compared to corresponding alkanes. The higher alkene shows a number of isomeric structures, and some alkene shows a geometrical isomers also due to the presence of this carbon-carbon double bond. Now these are some examples, basic examples of alkene molecules. This first is ethene molecule, which having 2 carbon atoms and this carbon-carbon double bond, and then this compound is ethene. If this compound is such that CH3 single bond CH3, then this compound is known as a ethane molecule, because this is an alkane compound. And if we replace this 2 hydrogen by the carbon-carbon double bond, then this compound is known as ethene, and in nomenclature system this ANE is replaced by ENE. Now this is second example, that is a propene. Again propene having a one carbon-carbon double bond. The next is a 1-butene. Now this compound is a butene, and we indicate it as a 1-butene because there are two possibility for carbon-carbon double bond. If we place the double bond at first carbon, then this compound is 1-butene, and if we place the carbon-carbon double bond at the second carbon, then this compound is known as a 2-butene compound. Then in last slide we says that some alkenes or geometrical shows a geometrical isomers, and these geometrical isomers are distinguished by using prefix cis and trans. For example, this is 2-butene compound, but this 2-butene is a cis 2-butene because here two similar groups are on the same side of double bond, hence this compound is cis 2-butene. And in this case these similar groups or atoms are opposite to each other from the double bond, and hence this compound is known as a trans 2-butene. Now see here the nomenclature system of alkenes. Similar to alkanes, there are two types of nomenclature systems. One is common nomenclature system, and second one is First is common nomenclature system. In this common nomenclature system, the first 3 members of alkenes are gives some common names such as ethylene, that is CH2 double bond CH2, this compound is known as ethylene by common nomenclature system. Then propylene, that is CH double bond CH3, that is CH2 double bond CH3, this compound is propylene. And next one is isobutylene, this is a structure of isobutylene compound. These 3 alkenes are gives such common names, and another or higher alkenes gives names by using a IUPAC nomenclature system. In IUPAC nomenclature system we have to follow some basic rules to give the names of alkene compound, and the first well-known rule is to select the longest continuous carbon chain. But here keep in mind or remember this longest chain of carbons containing a carbon-carbon double bond, and such a longest chain is considered as a parent alkene. Now the name of alkene is derived by replacing the ending ane. This ane used for alkane this ANE is replaced by the ENE in case of nomenclature for alkene molecules. Now the carbon atoms in the longest chain from the end, which gives a smallest number to the double bond. In case of alkane compound, we give the number from either side which having a lowest substituent, but in case of alkene compound, number the chain from that side which gives the smallest number to the double bonded carbon atom. Now see here some examples of this IUPAC nomenclature system. Now this first compound is known as a ethene by IUPAC nomenclature, and common nomenclature of this compound is ethylene. There is a two carbons that is a ethane, and ANE of alkane is replaced by ENE. Now this compound having a 3 carbon. If this is a saturated alkane, then this compound is known as a propane, but first carbon having a carbon-carbon double bond, and hence this ANE is replaced by ENE, and this compound is known as simply propane, or it is also known as a 1-propane. Now this compound, now here we have to select the longest continuous chain, so we select this longest continuous chain, and there are possibility of 2 longest chains. First one is straight chain, and second we select such type of chain, but in such a chain no carbon-carbon double bond is included, and hence we have to select this straight continuous chain which contains a carbon-carbon double bond, second carbon having a methyl substituent, and hence this compound is known as a 2-methyl propane molecule. Then in next compound, this is a longest chain of 4 carbon, first carbon having a carbon-carbon double bond, and hence this compound is known as a 1-butene. Now these two are geometrical isomers of each other. This first one is cis isomer because similar groups are on the same side of carbon-carbon double bond. This known as a trans isomer because the two similar groups are opposite to each other, and these compounds by IUPAC nomenclature, this carbon is first, this is second carbon, third carbon, this is a fourth carbon. The longest chain of 4 carbon, hence parent compound is butane, but second carbon having carbon-carbon double bond, and ANE is replaced by ENE, and hence this compound is known as a cis-2-butene, and a geometrical isomer which is known as a trans-2-butene. Now in the next example, we have to select the longest continuous chain. In this longest continuous chain, now there are 2 sides for the numbering to carbon atom. If we give the number from this side, this carbon first, second, carbon third, carbon fourth, and this carbon fifth. But the carbon-carbon double bond must have a lowest possible number, and hence the nomenclature of this compound is 3,3-dimethyl 1-pentene because there are total 5 carbon atoms in the parent compound. Now we see the physical properties of alkenes. The alkenes shows a similar physical properties to alkanes, and here the normal, such as alkanes, the normal alkenes from C2 to C4 are gases, C5 to C18 are liquids, and from onwards C18 they are solids, similar to alkane compounds. Also similar to alkane, melting point and boiling point of alkene increases as the number of carbon in alkene increases. We see this property yesterday for the alkane compounds, as melting point, boiling point value increases as the number of carbon atom increases. Also straight chain alkenes having a higher boiling point than the branch alkene, and the reason is again similar because when branching is present in alkene compound, the molecule attains a spherical shape, and due to some spherical shape its surface area decreases and the force of attraction it decreases, and hence branch alkenes or branch compounds having lower boiling point than the straight chain compounds. Then next is alkene are insoluble in polar solvents, again similar to alkane molecules like water, but they are soluble in non-polar solvents such as benzene, ether, and chloroform, etc. Now these are some physical properties of alkene molecules, and the another important some physical properties shown by the alkenes are the alkenes having the density lower than that of water. So alkenes float on the water. if we place the alkene, some molecule in alkene, water, then it float on the water because its density is lower than that of the water. Now some alkenes are weakly polar due to the presence of pi bond, because alkene having a carbon-carbon double bond, and in this carbon-carbon double bond, one bond is first sigma and the second is pi bond, and due to this pi bond the alkenes are weakly polar in nature, and due to this weakly polar character or this polarization, the alkene, some alkene shows some dipole moment depend on the geometry of the molecules. Now see here, for this example, this is a cis-2-butene molecule. Due to this carbon-carbon double bond or the presence of this pi bond, this cis-2-butene is shows a very small dipole moment, but its isomer or geometrical isomer trans-2-butene is completely non-polar and it shows a dipole moment is equal to 0, and this is due to the opposite groups cancels its individual dipoles with each other, but in cis isomer similar groups are on the same side, and here there is no cancellation of individual dipoles, and hence cis isomer shows a small dipole moment than the trans isomer. And see here in second example, this compound is 2,2-dichloro 2,2-dichloro-2-butene, because 2,3-dichloro-2-butene, because this first carbon, second carbon, third, and this is fourth. Second and third carbon having 2 chlorine atoms, second carbon having double bond, and hence 2-butene. Now this cis isomer, because same chlorine atoms are on the same side, this isomer is cis, same chlorine on opposite side, this isomer is trans, and cis isomer this 2,3-dichloro-2-butene shows a dipole moment about 1.85 debye, but its trans isomer is completely a non-polar in nature and it shows a dipole moment mu is equal to 0. This is because of in cis isomer these similar chlorine atoms are on the same side, and in these two chlorine atoms shows a dipole in this direction, but in trans isomer these two similar electronegative chlorine atoms are on the opposite side. This chlorine shows a dipole in such a direction, this chlorine shows a dipole in this direction, and these two individual dipoles are cancels each other, and hence the dipole moment of trans isomer is 0, but here is no chances of cancellation of this individual dipole, and hence cis isomer shows a dipole moment 1.85 d. Now these are some physical properties of these alkene molecules. So thank you very much. In the next lecture we discuss about the chemical properties of alkene molecules.